Diana Denmark here, rah rah rah. So are you ready for some exciting news? I've got some big projects coming up this autumn, so let's dive right in. So have you ever thought, oh, it would be nice if we had a bit more time chatting together, talking about getting organized, making life more simple? And I know many of you come to my videos because you're feeling ashamed of your home, you're feeling overwhelmed, trying to balance work and life. And been there, done that, got the t-shirts, but I am proof that you are able to change that. Now, I'm not a naturally organized person. It's taken me a few years to get here, but good things are coming. I can finally let the cat out of the bag. I'm really excited. I'm thrilled to have been asked to be a speaker at this year's Get Organized Virtual Summit. And the best part is that you are coming with me. Woohoo! And guess what? It's free, said the canny Scot. Now, you know I usually keep my YouTube videos between 5 and 15 minutes. Your time is precious. I don't want you being sucked into that black hole of the internet. But at the Get Organized virtual event, I'm going to be taking a deep dive with you. We're going to have 45 minutes together. Woo! I'll be hosting a class. We're going to nail down some easy, simple routines that are really going to help to simplify your day and help you to get the work-life balance back. It's going to be a full rundown on the Flylady System, and also at the event there's going to be a lot of surprises, so I can't wait for you to join me there. And I know many of you now are saying, okay, sign me up, let's go. Registration opens today. There's a link up there. I shall put a link in the video comments, and I want you to take a pen, circle the date in your diary or put it into your electronic calendar. Even better, put an alarm on your phone. Friday the 15th of September. And my class is at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 2 p.m. for the Europeans, that's me, 1 p.m. in the UK, and I think it was 10 p.m. Australian Melbourne time, but don't worry, you'll be able to watch my segment for the full day, anytime it suits you. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with Get Organized HQ, they have this yearly event. It's a huge virtual summit, and this year there are over 100 speakers where we're bringing you all our best organizing tips, keeping life simple. It's a brilliant program, and I know I'm going to learn a lot too. There is DIY, there is freezer cooking, budgeting, so something for everybody. Mark your calendar, Diane in Denmark, on the 15th of September 2023, just in case you're watching this video 5 years from now. And you'll get your ticket, your free ticket, by clicking on my link below. And what else do I have in store for you the next couple of months? Well, sunshine. Yeah, there'll be plenty of sunshine. 1st of September in Denmark is the official start of autumn, so we will be returning to some of our hygge planning. The daily declutter videos will continue, and I've really loved the feedback on those, because many of you are seeing real progress with just decluttering one item a day. You're finally able to let go of things. Things are snowballing, so those will continue. It's now been, I think, 2 years since hubby and I have been empty nesters. Some updates about that. I mentioned just before the summer holidays that I had started doing intermittent fasting, not for weight loss, but to shift some post-menopause symptoms that I've had. I was on HRT for many years successfully. I'm now 56 and I still had some symptoms. Anyway, I've also dived into breath work, something new for me, and this has been inspired by my friends. My friends are a constant source of inspiration. News about winter bathing, ice swimming competitions, swap parties with my friends, and lots of hygge here in Copenhagen. And just basically living well, where we're getting organized, we're simplifying things, getting rid of the clutter, and we're just living well. And last but not least, coming up at the end of the year, I'm doing something new this year. I'm going to be putting together a series on Scandinavian Christmas. Whew, so that's a lot of projects coming up. What are you excited about? Are you excited about being together for 45 minutes at Get Organized? Are you looking forward to Scandinavian Christmas? Let me know. I'm going to get back to my coaching clients. You are going to have a fantastic day. But first of all, you're going to click the link down below so you can get your free ticket for Get Organised Virtual Summit. And I'll have a little bonus video coming on Wednesday, so watch out for that. Take care, stay organised, and let me just grab my pom-poms and say, live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you. And I'll see you on Wednesday with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.